What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, AE Harris 64. Good morning, man. YouTube, good morning. This morning, man, I had a small dilemma. Look here, man. Anybody know what this is? This is it's a map sensor, right? So, what I done was replace mine a couple of weeks ago. Put it on, it only take a couple of minutes, man. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes to put the map sensor on. But through my ignorance, what I didn't understand is what I'm learning right now. After I took everything apart on the car, right, put it back, it's a little rubber grommet that goes on this little piece right here. It's a little rubber grommet. Man, I swear ain't nothing with a phone. I'm trying. It's a little rubber grommet that goes right on this. I put that thing on there. Without that, man, can you imagine? Man, she's shaking and breakdancing out this jump. I'm trying to get it together, but I was learning, man, that you gotta have a rubber grommet for the piece. For that, you gotta have a rubber grommet. If you don't have the rubber grommet, man, as they say, you are dead, man. Your car won't work right. It'll be other issues. Man, in this phone situation, I'm gonna get one of them little gorilla holders, and I ain't gonna have to worry about nothing. I'm just trying to learn how to use this junk. But look, like I said, yeah, that's a little better. It's a rubber grommet to go right on that. And if you don't put that on, man, it's like it's a vacuum line that's missing. You turn your car on, she gonna shake, wiggle, and dance. It's gonna be issues and problems. But guess what, YouTube? I'm trying to do what I need to do. I'm learning every day. I took the old grommet off because I couldn't find it anywhere. And I put it on the car. So I'm about to see what happens when I start her up. Let's see what happens. Let's see how she gonna act now once I start her. I think it's been about a good 10 minutes, YouTube. I'm trying to give her a little time, though. Trying to give her a little time. Trying to give her a little time, like I said. They said I need to wait a couple of minutes once I do it. It's been about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm trying to see what we're going to do, YouTube. Let's put this battery back on. I was trying to hold this damn thing like everybody else be doing and make a recording. It wasn't working. But like I said, I replaced the map sensor and I put the rubber grommet on this time as opposed to the last time I didn't have it. Let's see if we can get her started. Let's see, where your keys at? Oh, yeah. Got the keys. Got the keys, YouTube. Let's see if she gonna start right up. And let's see how she gonna act. Got light, camera. Let's see what it do. Woo, she look like she running smooth. But like I said, I'm gonna see. I was having problems with having her under load. When I went to put her under load sometimes, man, she had a slight